Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. 10LA, small town angler. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you haven't been enjoying this content, if y'all enjoyed today's video, please smash that thumbs up button. So what I got in store for today is a good buddy of mine. He called me up, said he was wanting to go fishing. So what we're doing, and so I asked him, hey man, you want to take the boat out? He's a good buddy of mine that we brought the boat out. He's went ahead and hooked up the boat, and we brought it out to the lake a couple times here, a local place here in Bryan, Texas. And it's not Bryan Lake, it's actually it's a smaller lake called Fin Feather Lake. Yeah, a good buddy of mine was kind enough to go ahead and we'd hook up my boat and brought it on out here. He had to go take care of some stuff right now, but he's going to be meeting me back out here. But so I just wanted to kind of do a little raw video today. We're just out here fishing on this lake, just having a great time fishing. Caught some pretty good bass this morning. Well, this afternoon so far. We got a little bit late back. Probably started about mid-morning and caught a couple bass, and then I actually just caught a couple more. Well, I wanted to go ahead and just film today. It's just I don't get a lot of opportunity to film on my boat. So and it's just a little 14-foot John boat. It's kind of a little messy right now. Kind of got stuff everywhere. Right now. But yeah, man, I'm just really excited. I'm really glad I'm able to bring this footage to y'all and be able to share this venture with y'all. On this lake here, it's still kind of a learning and process on this lake. I really don't know a whole lot about it. Still learning it. I'd come out and fish, and like I said, I don't get a lot of opportunities to fish off of my boat, and to be able to come out here on this lake with this boat is really awesome. So just a shout out from my buddy Rob, and this is awesome. But I'll give you a little picture of what we're kind of working with here. As I'm drifting into this tree here. But I've been fishing already a little bit this morning. Me and my buddy caught a couple bass. Then I caught a few more after he had left. He had to go take care of some things, and but he's meeting me back over here. But yeah, I really hope y'all enjoy today's video. If y'all do, please smash that thumbs up button. And this is going to be kind of a raw fishing video, kind of a learning and process as we learn to fish this lake, and hopefully be able to help y'all and those that are local to come out here and fish and catch more fish. Hey, let's get to it. Let's get some line in the water, see if we can get on some big ones. Got one. Yes. Woo! That's what I'm talking about right there, baby. Yeah. Ooh, easy, buddy. There we go. Right there. Good quality little bass there, bud. All right. That's the first one on film. Right, just like that. That's what I've been catching. A couple other ones I've caught were a bit bigger than that one, but he came from pretty deep. He came from out here, I believe. I've just been kind of doing this. I'll just show y'all here. Kind of reel and stop, or burn and stop, burn and stop. Now I'll change my speed sometimes. I'll do it like that. So now I'll just do it like this. I'll just real slow or real fast. I'll just kind of change it up until I find what they're keying off of. And once I find out what they're hitting, what it is that they're keying off of, then I'll go ahead and just kind of continue that rhythm. All right, so my buddy just met back up with me. He just hung him a little bass here.
Yep.
Pretty little thing though.
King of the day right there, boy.
There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we just kind of met him back at the bank here. He had to go take care of some things, but now we're ready. Went out here and figured out a couple things, a couple spots to fish at, and so we're probably just gonna maybe just continue what we were doing earlier, just kind of coast on down and fish. Yeah, we'll fish on down because it's been for the way we're fishing. It's been a pretty good. The wind's been like carrying the drift pretty good, and I kind of got it down to where to keep us from getting too far off the bank. I got it down how to keep the trolling motor and stuff. So I'll have the trolling motor angled, and what I'll do is I'll kick it in reverse or forward to make that nose kick back, and it keeps us right on the, you know, a good distance on the bank line. I don't think it'll hurt to be a little farther off than what we were earlier, just because the fish is moving a little bit deeper now. Flung it a little bit.
I was trying to go right there. Bring it through, and I went way off, bro.
There. Yeah, real quick grab. I think while we're in this calm water, and I'm gonna throw this thing right here.
I was thinking they'll definitely go for the chartreuse on the back. Like go aim at that.
Yeah, well, I mean, I think they're gonna go for that bait just in general, just because it's a natural color. It's a natural, looks like just like a natural bait fish.
That pearl, blue, red pearl, I mean, it's kind of hard to beat that pearl.
It is, man. It's such a natural color.
I fished it ultra clear water, really dark water, and I just pretty much always have luck.
Whoa, dude, the bass just come up and missed it right there.
Right there?
Yes, right there. That was crazy. I was pulling it out of the water.
Hey, when that happens. You would think they'll be right here around that tree, that overhang.
Yeah. It's just so shallow right there. I don't think they're gonna be hanging right there right now. Now right here, it's got shallow and it's got a real steep drop off. You know what I mean? And they like stuff like that because it's almost like a ditch right here, and they love to hang out in that stuff. Look at that right there. One has come up. Is that one? Is that one?
Might have been a turtle that hit me a little while ago. I see one moving over there. Yeah. Oh, you gotta go. Gotta be kidding me, man.
Yeah, they'll take it in, and the little ones peck at it. Yeah, because isn't the smaller ones are smaller, so they're gonna try to kill their bait before they eat it. Especially if it's a bigger, you know, something bigger.
Them big boys, they go. One time I was fishing right there where the dude was, and I was fishing, and I seen something keep breaking the water, and I was like, man, what the hell? So I cast it over there, I caught the fish, and when I pulled it up, he was spitting up little baby minnows.
Jeez.
He had like 4 of them in his mouth. I was like, dang, man, this is pretty.
Right?
Don't say anything to anyone.
Looks like that one I just caught. The belly was full, man. They're feeding on all them bait fish.
Yeah.
Oop, oop, got trash fish. Trash fish. Look at that.
Yeah, they're always fun to catch.
Jeez.
One time I caught a fanny pack bass.
Fanny pack? Golly.
Yeah.
Fanny bass.
Yeah. I was right there right there in front of Wells Fargo, and I was fishing, and it felt like it just pulled against me, and I was like, whoa, set the hook, and I was fighting, and I was like, damn, I'm just dragging, this might probably be a catfish, and I got it up, and it was a fanny pack.
Jeez.
I was like, yeah.
Any goodies in it?
Nah, it wasn't nothing in it. A bunch of water. I was like, yeah, just, some people just don't care.
No, they don't. Unfortunately.
And the good thing is I didn't pull up a body with this thing to catch too.
Right? Dude, that would suck. Well, I wouldn't know what I would do, honestly. Besides report it. I guess. So at least somebody knows where their loved one is.
Yeah.
Sad way to say it, but.
Probably never go back there again.
Right? Shoot, I don't want to wind up. I don't want to wind up the same way.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go home. That was like the craziest thing I ever caught. Fanny pack. Now, you see it on TV and stuff sometimes, where dudes will catch like a boot. And I was like, nah, it can't be real. This is like TV. And then it actually happens.
Yeah, that stuff happens, man. It's crazy. But see how it drops off so quick right here? It's almost like a ditch. Them bass gonna be.
Right.
Usually love that stuff, man. Right there on the edge of that.
Yeah, they can sit down in that ditch and then just jump right up, eat.
Yep.
Right down.
Yep. Yeah.
Get it down a little fast.
Yeah, that's what you need, especially when we're moving like this.
Quarter ounce weight, that's 4.8.
Got him.
That was right there where I caught the other one.
Woo! It's a little guy. Oh, easy, dude. Easy. That's the ones that'll hook you.
That's the medium-ish bass we caught. I caught the smallest, he caught the biggest, and that was the medium.
I can't remember. There we go, guys. A little bitty fella there.
That was very deep diving in.
It's not super deep now.
They had a couple of them I was looking at. I was thinking about buying two that they had over there.
I think this one's like 5 or 6 foot or something like that, maybe.
That one that I was looking at was like 8 to 10 foot diving, and I was like, I'm probably not gonna ever use that unless I'm on a boat. And even then, I mean, we fished a lot of crew.
Yeah, especially in the summertime. Now in the wintertime, that's what you're gonna want. Uh-huh.
Crabs, crankbait, like, they don't, like, there's like nothing special about them as far as like weight-wise, but man, they fly.
They do, dude. They can launch these things. I think it's the density.
Yeah,
It's a lot more dense.
I was casting, I had one, it was like a little cheap one. I think it was like a Ozark Trail, like a Walmart brand.
Uh-huh.
It was a red one. And I had to put, that was like one of the times that I had tried like that monofilament line.
Yeah.
Oh,
I like that. I do like mono, dude. I really do. It's just got so much stretch in it.
I love mono for like when you're fighting the fish, because like you're not gonna just,
You're not just gonna chunk it.
You're not gonna just pull it straight out of the mouth.
Yeah.
Like it has all that stretch, and that's good. But I hate it when it comes time to set a hook.
Yeah.
Like they're using
Or pull it out of a tree.
using something like a single hook. Hate it. Like something like this.
Now I don't mind. Like I'll use a fluorocarbon coated when I'm fishing like fishing soft baits, worms and stuff.
Does it sink down good?
Huh?
Sink down good?
Well, no, because that mono floats. But it just, I don't know. That's just what I like to use for it. I guess I really don't have any specific reason why. I guess you can feel them taps a little bit better maybe. But I know braid and stuff and cart floor supposed to have a lot more sensitivity. I think we ought to just coast on right here. I think fishing both sides like this, find out where they're at, drop an anchor maybe. I hate for that dude for him to drive out here and then I'm able to get a hold of her, get a holler at me. Got one. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I thought that was a good one. There we go.
Dang, he took off quick, boy.
Yeah, he did.
God.
Yep. Rattle traps and crankbaits right now.
I've never caught on crankbaits, but I gotta catch one. No, I'm lying. I caught one on crankbait one time off the bank.
Do we need to drift back over there? I'm hoping we're going with the flow of the fish maybe, you know what I mean? Wouldn't that be cool? School's coming this way, we're floating this way, right in front of them. That would be crazy. Huh? Uh-huh. Well, I kind of learned something though. I'm starting to learn these fish now. A little bit. Oh man. Yeah, I couldn't imagine.
Like they're under the water, you know what I mean? They hear that thing coming a mile away and they'll come chase it.
Just make it just hush. There we go. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. We on them right here.
First one on the crankbait, boy.
There we go. That's a good one too.
Don't shake.
Look at that thing. Oh, that GoPro died on me real quick, and he just caught that one, and oh, still back on it here. Up here on the bank here, I got another buddy of mine that's gonna meet us here, and then they'll be off. We'll get out here and get some fishing done. Hopefully we'll get on some good fish. Just met back up with my buddy Alex here. So we got Alex and Rob. And y'all have already seen we caught a couple bass already, so we're gonna get him on the boat and get out here. Probably gonna get a little more organized, and then get back to fishing. And we'll see y'all on the water. All right, so we're actually all three just trolling right now, getting to our location that we're gonna start at a certain point up here. There's an island over here y'all see, and we're gonna drift down from that island, just fish down that island for a little bit. But right now we're all three just kind of got our lines in the water trolling. So we'll see if we can get on something. We'll go ahead and slow it up, guys. We'll reel in and we'll get turned around here. We'll get turned around. We'll fish. We'll just fish down the edge here. I guess we'll all have to overhead cast so we don't snag each other. Dang, that thing's loud. Jeez, it's louder than this one.
That was what it was. I thought it was like a cicada or something.
No, that's that rattle trap.
Yeah.
This lake was built in the 1800s.
Oh, that's awesome. There's got to be some monster bass in here.
There's got to be some bass in here, some huge ones.
got on you. Throw it right there on that grass line. Just throw it real shallow. I bet you catch one. I sent you shallow. Got hit. As soon as I sent it, I got too excited to try to catch it. I looked focused. Yeah.
Yeah, that was a big bass to come up and hit that. I probably, when you're casting, probably get it about 4 foot from that bank. That way you don't snag a bunch of grass. There's a bunch of vegetation over here on this bank line.
Man, I don't know if we can cast at all anymore.
Yeah,
It's gonna be a wake-up call. Yeah, for my boat, if you even just lean too far in one direction, it like comes close to the water.
jeez.
The more weight, the better. It doesn't, move as much. But when it's empty, it's only like 70 pounds.
Oh man, missed him. Sorry, Rob, I'm trying to get you back over there. Oh. An island. Huh? Oh, got one. There we go. Woo!
Nice one.
Badass knot.
Yeah, another one. Hey, Raw.
Oh yeah. And then I'm tired.
You got another little bass there.
I seen a post like that on Facebook. It said, the Palomar knot is stronger than your relationship. I was like, God, God. It's hard to break that knot, bro.
Yeah, that's one of the strong knots unless you use braid. If you use braid, you want to do a double polymer.
Some mark on the top of his head.
Yeah, I know. Look at that, dude. He's got a beauty mark. Raw. That's so cool. If y'all can see that, he got a beauty mark right there. Another beautiful fish. There we go. All right, I'll just cast towards the there's island here, and that's what I've been doing. It's what I've been doing, man. I've been getting lots of hits today, just fishing like this from here.
Should I try jigging this on the bottom, or?
Yeah, you can try that. Yeah, I mean, 'cause I'm pretty sure them bass are pretty low right now, so. Got one?
Yeah.
Oh shoot! There we go.
It jammed up my rod, of course, my reel.
There we go. We're on them now. Oh. Oh, Alex on the board. Got him one.
Yeah, boy.
Choked it. Here we go.
Not too bad.
Another good little bass.
Kind of has that green going on.
Yeah.
On its side a little bit.
One situate, well, you gotta retie. I guess while you retie, I'll get us back up to this island, and we'll fish down it like we originally planned. GoPro. Yeah. Yeah, that's the spinning combo.
Yeah, the red mat.
Yeah, I got it. That's the one that fish broke my rod.
Black mat, blue mat, red mat. I can't remember what that silver one is.
Did the Got him, got him. Yes. Woo! Woo! That's what I'm talking about. On a crankbait.
Yeah, that's what I'm going
Barely had him hooked, dude. That hook just come right on out.
Was he right under the boat?
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, I thought I saw him come up from underneath.
Yeah, he came up from underneath the boat there. There we go. Another bass on the day right there, folks.
How many is that?
I lost count. Like 10.
Yeah, about 10.
10 bass. Good luck. No, my best in the day out here was 6.
Oh yeah, you destroyed that.
Yeah, I just destroyed that. We still got plenty of fishing daylight left. I say, Rob, come over, try this side a little bit, get that side a break. Man, if I can just bring this with me to a tournament. I mean, they're not real big, but shoot, I guess like the start off tournaments and stuff, amateur tournaments, I think I'd be doing okay. Cause I caught a couple 3-pounders. So at least a 3-pounder, that one was almost 3. So that's gonna give me a what, give me a 5-fish limit. So that's, shoot, I'd have a 12-pound bag today. So far, for sure. Well, I'm in full throttle reverse, guys, and this, and we ain't going in reverse. I was glad we all caught something though. That was the main goal for the day. Everyone to catch something.
Yeah, I don't mind if the fishing is terrible. As long as it doesn't even have to be big. It could be like a brim. So usually what I do is I bring a little brim rod, and then right after the day, if I get skunked, I'll just go and use a brim rod. Just one, and then say, you know, I'm happy I caught something.
Right, there you go. See if we can get that nose pointed towards that bank more, because they seem like they're starting to move up towards that bank to that shallow water, starting to feed on them bait fish now.
Behind the shed.
Yeah, exactly where mine.
Yeah, I want. That's why I want. Got one. Yes. Here we go. Woo! Here we go, another bass. Woo! That's about the same size as that other one.
Yeah.
They're beautiful fish though, man.
It was like a real yellowish color.
Yeah, they're beautiful fish. Look at them fins, man. Rob, just beautiful bass. Thanks, bud. Here we go.
The water was really clear, and then it'll probably be a little darker. Or let it stand down.
Yeah.
I know in real murky water they're pale white.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, up in DFW we got a lot of those.
Got one. Oh yeah, baby, come on.
Switch over. I have the exact same crank as you.
Woo! Woo! We're on that school, baby.
You on that school? I'm on fire with them little boys in a minute.
There we go. There's another one for the day. Yeah, about 12, I think. Thanks, bud. Whew, it's been a heck of a day, that's for sure. The first ones I caught though, I didn't even get on film. Them 3, yeah. I didn't really start filming until right before you got here. Then when I started filming. Yeah, he's got that silver blue. That's a deep diving bait right there. That's a deep diving jerk bait.
It's I haven't used jerk bait.
Yeah, no, I would definitely give that a try, man. Let's see. Actually,
I had the same one.
yeah, throw that square bill. Throw that square bill. With that flat black and red.
Reminds me of the football helmets I had one year for I think it was Select. I don't remember what league. But my dad, being a painter, he just offered to paint all the helmets for us. So he put like pretty much the entire rainbow of just candy color.
Oh, nice.
Gloss black, and oh my god, it was awesome. Definitely one of my favorite helmets.
I need to back up a little bit. I think that school's going that way. Yes. Uh-huh.
Well, I hope so. Finally catch up to y'all and weight-wise. Or at least the numbers.
You already passed me with that one you caught.
Oh. How big was that? I thought it was like a pound or something.
Yeah, it's about a pound.
I got a scale. We didn't weigh that one. We can weigh the next one if you want.
Might as well. I'm trying to judge them by size, but I don't have any comparison. You know, I pulled up a 5-pounder. I was like, it's a 3.
Yeah. Well, that's the
Yeah,
best way.
honestly,
That's
no.
sometimes a good way to just go ahead and do it, though.
I
So you
usually like
don't.
to be conservative just because it would be stupid if you told someone, I got a 5-pounder, and it actually was a 3.
Yeah.
The worst part is I suck at taking pictures of them too. So like every time I take a picture, like it'll be big, but it looks small because when
Yeah.
I take a picture, and then it's like hard to believe. Are these ones sinking, or are they just suspended?
Well, most crankbaits and stuff all suspend, but when you crank it, it go down to a certain depth that it's supposed to. And on these here, so the higher up the higher your bill, the deeper it dives. The lower your bill, the shallower it is. So this one here dives pretty, fairly deep. I'm not sure exactly how deep this one
They put 'em
dives.
on there, don't they?
On the box, yeah.
Oh, I've seen a couple. I think Paula is the one who does it the most. Like they'll write 6/18 underneath it or something, depending on whatever theirs.
Yeah. Rob, if we can move like this the whole time, it'd be nice, wouldn't it? We had that wind today. That wind's really making us power fish a lot today. I'll tell you what, freaking 6 hours of power fishing. Woo. Got one? Oh, I thought you had one. I get excited. Everybody hook up.
I don't think I've ever seen a triple up before.
I've seen double. I've never seen triple. I've never personally been fishing where I've, had a double hookup or not, which I think that would be awesome though, to double up. But it's like when I got one. Woo! Yes. There we go. Another bass on the day. A little bit better one. Thanks, bud. Thanks for joining. Get another look at that beautiful bass there. Yeah, I got the it's a 6-cent square bill. Puppy's tearing them up today. And that lipless. I'm gonna let this drip down just a little bit. I'm gonna get us away from this away from this guy. They're hitting right about where we're at, almost. I want to get y'all on some fish too.
Oh, right in front of me.
Oh, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Trying to keep you away from the area. But there is something there.
I see what it is. It's fish blocking, huh? We're fish blocking now.
I'm okay with it as long as it benefits me.
I'll fish out this way. Y'all two fish that way. It's okay. Oh yeah, man. You know there's some up in there. Nope. Not this water.
It's a little arsenic, I think it was.
Hi everybody, I think that's gonna be the end for today's video. It was a great time. We all caught something, which is which makes me happy, and I'm sure makes them two guys there happy.
Yeah, boy.
Had a little spring of fish there. It seemed like we got a little school of them there. Unfortunately, them guys just couldn't quite get on them. No, it was a great day. We caught a lot of fish. All of us got on some fish today, got on some bass. And we caught some pretty good ones, caught some small ones, but definitely caught some good bass, so real grateful for that. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, please smash that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if y'all like to see some more videos like this, where get a couple buddies, go out and go fishing, or some more boat videos, just leave in comments below. I'd be more than happy to do that. And I'm sure these guys would like to go out and join me again and go fishing. So until next time, chest bump, I'm out.